Welcome back to another video. This video will be reviewing the Victorinox Super Tinker in space grey scales. This is a special collector's edition, so yeah, hope you enjoy. Oh shit, sorry. First thing that we got on here is a blade, small blade, scissors, and then bottle opener and can opener, and then for something new we have a Phillips head screwdriver, a hook, and then the sewing thing. Now something very special about these scales, if you were going to buy a normal Super Tinker, it would be about $30. This one is about $40 because they didn't make as much, and in my opinion they're very good compared to the ye olde red. But yeah, overall very good knife, and once again I have 2 more reviews to do on Victorinox, and I will see you in those other reviews. So until then, take care.